Cycling as a commute to work or wherever is a great eco tip. But this time I'm going to go past the flooded Macquarie River. So the low level bridge is out, it's flooded in Bathurst, water's over it so it's completely blocked. So I've got to do a big detour to get to where I'm going.
See the river over there, it's really flooded. Wow, just look at that. So got to go over the Denison Bridge because it's higher, floods aren't affecting it. Show you some more footage of the river on my return journey when I've got more time. See the river's come up quite a bit. Footpath just ahead there's all underwater now. It's a pretty amazing sight. The river doesn't get flooded that often, but had quite a bit of rain yesterday. Just look at it, it's amazing. There's no pedestrian access here, completely flooded. I better continue home on my trusty Electra Town-to-Go e-bike. If I look at the river all day, I'll never get home. The low level bridge is over there in the distance, submerged underwater. That's my normal route, so that's completely blocked off because of the flood. That's why I had to go around the Denison Bridge. Ducks are loving the extra water. So I hope you enjoyed this different commute with a flooded river, something a bit more interesting. Thanks for watching. See you next time.